There we go. I started the AT-6 kit by showing a couple tips on the shocks and did a live video on build shocks. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to start building this, and I did start, and basically because the axle is already done and the transmission is already done, you actually start at page 16 of the manual, and it starts with the transfer case, and I've done that step. And I've also done up to step here, which is step 9. So here we have all one side is done. I am impressed on the quality of this in the sense that, or the design. The quality is okay, but the design is seems to be better because they even have this carbon fiber here plate, which is installed, and it is curved a little bit, well the frame is, and when you install the carbon fiber it does curve and follow it. I think they install this to help the torque in the center when everything is twisting. This is really going to help it, so it's really going to help the frame. In other words, that's what I'm thinking, why they did it that way. And now I'm going to go up to step 10 on this, and I'll put the video on time-lapse and do a little quick video and a little review on where I am right after we go into time-lapse. There we go, chassis all done. Now I'm going to put the side plates on, and that's where the shift server goes. I think, no, shift server was here. The second diff is here, and the rear diffs are in the back. So nice and long chassis for the 6x6. It's got a nice little Cross RC logo. Well, that's going to be it for this video. Guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see anything special or talk about anything special on this build. If you have any questions, don't be shy, just put it down below and I'll make sure to try to answer them as soon as I can. Alright, until then, charge up some batteries and go out there and have some fun and break something. Because if you're not breaking anything, you're not having any fun. Cheers, guys.